Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share realistic days in the life. For those who know me well, I never buy bananas in this town. So I'm going to pick up some package of bananas and avocados that has been sent from Shags. So come with.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on us.
See how I'm sweating. That walk. Yeah. But it's healthy. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my babaridi. House keys. Babaridi is boda pick me up.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Bananas, this one, so this one's I'm going to put them back here and then put them somewhere to ripen. Of course, I'll be putting sometimes this works as storage for me. I don't have power, but this type is the ripening one. It's usually smooth and round in shape. This one, so it's different from the cooking one. This is the ripening one. Let me show you the difference. Look at this one. You see the difference here? This one has like some little bit of corner, yeah, but this one is just smooth, almost smooth. I don't know if you're getting it. Yeah, see guys, so I came to my baby's school to pick her up. It's 1:30 p.m. yeah, so I am early. Yeah, so I requested yesterday that I come pick her up early because we're traveling. Yeah, so as we speak, she's sleeping and I'm sure we'll head out. Yeah, so I'm waiting at the office.
Bye guys.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, good morning. It's currently at 6:30 a.m. We're heading to the shamba to harvest our beans. Come along with us. My bad. So guys, sorry I didn't tell you why I had to travel. So this is the reason why. Whenever the plants are ready for harvesting, we always come as siblings to help my mom and my brother to harvest. Hey guys, good morning. This is the following day after harvesting. We're heading out to get some supplies since we came with the babies. So we want to buy some items that we're going to use while we're staying here. So let's go together.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Huh? Msafi ni sawa. Ya lavender. Ni how much so? Oh, okay. Hey guys. I'm here. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Ambia subscribe. Ambia we are from the shamba. Aya. Sawa. Ambia bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. That is my place, and I came back with 3 different types of beans, and all these we harvested from the farm. So let me show you what we got.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, today is on a Tuesday. It's in the evening. I want to prepare some mandazis. Yeah, so I'm going to just use sugar, salt, some cinnamon powder, blue band or margarine, some flour, and make sure you sieve your flour if you're following this recipe, and some milk. In today's vlog, I'm just going to show you snippets of making mandazis. So if you wish to learn how to make mandazis, the ones I made on this particular day, I'm going to link the video in the description box for you to watch the whole process and learn how to make them a most amazing yummy mandazis.
Grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. So you can comment down below, tell me what you think. If you like such videos, I can be doing them often. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoy the video. If you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe and support a girl. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye. That's me on the background.